Shopify versus WordPress. Shopify and WordPress both allow you to build online stores, but they serve different purposes. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform designed to help you create, manage, and scale your store easily. WordPress, on the other hand, is a content management system that can become an online store when combined with plugins like WooCommerce, requiring more setup and technical knowledge. Shopify includes everything you need from the start: hosting, security, payment gateways, inventory management, and customer support, all in one place. WordPress gives you full control over your website's design and functionality, but requires separate hosting, plugin management, and maintenance. Shopify focuses on simplicity and growth, while WordPress offers more flexibility for custom-built sites. In real-world use, many online businesses choose Shopify for its reliability, user-friendly interface, and ability to scale quickly without worrying about technical details. WordPress is often chosen by users who prioritize custom design, blogging, or advanced control over every element. Shopify's ease of use and integrated tools make it the top choice for e-commerce-focused entrepreneurs. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to complete store building tools, secure hosting, and growth-driven features that help you create and manage your online business effortlessly.